Everyone, how are you all? You all are welcome over here, and today we will start a new topic, that is working for a living. Okay, so let's start. So the chapter is talk about. The chapter is the what is the highlights of the chapter? So the chapter is talk about the occupation. Means here I will tell you what is occupation, and I will tell you what is the definition of the occupations. Means exactly what the occupation is and what is the exact definition of occupation. Okay, next is who are the skilled laborers, skilled workers, and later I will tell you the skilled laborers means who are skilled laborers exactly, and then domestic workers and the working children or child laborers and the need of occupation in our life. Okay, so these are the highlights of the chapters. So firstly we will discuss about the occupation. So the occupation, as you all know, that you all see in the day-to-day life that people do different types of work. Okay, a teacher teaches in the classroom, all right, your teacher teaches you in the classroom, and the gardener, see, a teacher teaches in the classroom and the gardener looks after the plants. Driver drives the vehicles and sweeper cleans the floor. Okay, so they are the people who are doing different jobs. Okay, and what they get in return, they get money in return for their living. Okay, so different type of people and different type of occupations means no two people are the same, and their choices are different, their occupations will be different also. So the work which people do for their living are called their occupations. Means the work we do for the living, and why we do the work, because we all need money to live the life. As a human being, we need money on the daily basis to fulfill our wishes and our needs. Like if we want to eat the food, we need money. If we want to wear the clothes, we need money. We want to travel, we need money. If we want to take education, we need money. Okay, so for the money, we need to work on the daily basis, and that particular work is called our occupation or profession. Okay, so the occupation depends on the education of the people. Okay, so what education you are taking, what education you are getting, okay, it depends the occupation you will get in the future. Okay, so occupation also depend on the situations also. Sometimes condition become worse and people forced to do the work which they don't like. Okay, so occupation is not always about the choices. Sometimes it's about the conditions and circumstances. All right. So this is the definition of the occupation. Once again I am repeating that occupation is the work which people do for their living. The work which people do for their living are called occupations. Okay, are called their occupations. Means जो work हम करते हैं अपनी living के लिए, means to get the money, to earn the money for earning purpose, whatever we do for the earning purpose, that is called occupation. Okay, तो लोग जो भी काम करते हैं अपनी अर्निंग के लिए, वो उनका ऑक्यूपेशंस, उन लोगों का ऑक्यूपेशन होता है. ऑल राइट, नेक्स्ट इज हियर आर फ्यू पिक्चर्स ऑफ द पीपल. मीन्स in the few occupation, education and degree is must. For example, if someone wants to become a doctor, he needs to do MBBS from the college. Okay, so it is compulsory to take the college degree from any college, and from the any reputed college or any college which is giving the medical degree. So if someone wants to become a doctor, he needs college education. Okay, and if here is the picture of nurse, if someone wants to become a nurse, she needs a degree from the college of nursing. All right, next is Here is the occupation, that is, he is a gardener. His work is to look after the plants, to give water to the plants. Okay, so it is the work of gardener. Next is the teacher. Her work is to teach in the school, to teach the kids. All right, not only the kids, teachers teach elders also. And he is a driver. So you can see here you can see the different types of occupation that people are doing around us. All right, and the next one is the sweeper. The sweeper cleans the floor, and his duty is to clean the premises wherever he work. Okay, so the duty of sweeper is to clean the premises. नेक्स्ट इज़ पीपल कंप्लीट देयर, यहाँ मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कि वर्क्स जो होते हैं, जो ऑक्यूपेशंस होते हैं, वो कई टाइप के होते हैं. कुछ ऑक्यूपेशंस में डिग्री और एजुकेशन रिक्वायर्ड होती है और कुछ में नहीं होती है. अब हेयर आर 3 ऑक्यूपेशन हेयर जिनके मैं आपको डिग्री और कॉलेज डिग्री और एजुकेशन इम्पॉर्टेंट होती है, लाइक टीचर, डॉक्टर, नर्सेज, इंजीनियर, एंड टू वर्क इन देयर रेस्पेक्टिव फील्ड्स दे नीड एजुकेशन. ओके, विदाउट एजुकेशन दे कांट डू देयर वर्क. ओके, अगर डॉक्टर बनना है तो मेडिसिन में डिग्री होनी कंपलसरी है, और अगर टीचर बनना है तो भी डिग्रीज कंपलसरी हैं. ऑल राइट, और नर्स बनना है तो भी. तो ये कुछ ऐसे प्रोफेशन होते हैं जिसमें आपको कॉलेज एजुकेशन मस्ट होती है, एंड विदाउट एजुकेशन नो वन कैन बिकम डॉक्टर, अ नर्स एंड अ टीचर. ऑल राइट, नेक्स्ट इज, यहाँ मैं आपको डिफरेंट टाइप्स की जॉब ऑक्यूपेशंस बताऊंगी. So here we will discuss only one type of, that is skilled. Okay, so जहाँ डॉक्टर, टीचर्स, नर्सेज, इंजीनियर्स की बात की जाए, so they need a college education and a degree. But what about the people who drive the buses? What about the people who look after the plants? And the mason, matlab mason means a person who make houses, buildings, they work construction, they do construction works. तो ये इन लोगों को कारपेंटर्स हैं. दे डोंट नीड कॉलेज डिग्री, दे डोंट नीड एजुकेशन. उन्हें पढ़ाई की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है, उन्हें ज़रूरत होती है उस स्किल को लर्न करने की जो स्किल वो फॉलो कर रहे हैं, यानी जो आप वो वर्क कर रहे हैं उसके लिए उस पर्टिकुलर स्किल की उनको ज़रूरत होती है. So the people like gardener, mason, electrician, driver, carpenters requires a particular skill related to their work. यानी कि अगर कोई गार्डनर है, so he must know all about the plants, means किस पौधे को कितना पानी देना है, कौन से सीजन में कौन सा प्लांटेशन करना है, वो एंड एट्सेट्रा. ओके, एंड इन द सेम वे अगर कारपेंटर है तो कारपेंटर्स मस्ट नो हाउ टू कट द वुड, हाउ टू मेक द furniture and all. Okay, so they need education related to they need skill related to their work. Okay, so they are called skillful workers. यानी कि उनका जो प्रोफेशन होता है उसके अकॉर्डिंग वी कॉल्ड नेम skillful workers. So here are few pictures of skillful workers like driver, electrician, all right, and a carpenter and the gardener. all right, और आप देख सकते हैं बहुत सारे स्किलफुल वर्कर्स होते हैं. यू कैन चेक ऑल्सो इन योर बुक. सो here we discussed already. Once again I am going to the first page of the video. Okay, so here we already discussed occupations, and we discussed the definition of occupation, and we discussed skillful labors and skilled labors. Okay, so skilled labors हमने discuss कर लिया. In the next video we will discuss domestic worker, working children or child laborers, and need of occupation. Okay, need of occupation, I already told you that we need money and we need to earn money to live our life, because we people are human being, and to live our life happily, to live we need money. Okay, so we pick any occupation according to our choice or according to the conditions. All right, so thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. I hope you understand the topic clearly. Alright. If you have any doubt or any query, you can contact me anytime. And in the description box, I gave you my email ID also there. Okay. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.